Okay, well, here's a detailed guide to build a healthy and comfortable tiny home on wheels. And the first aspect is about insulation and climate control. And the first point is about the proper insulation. We have to use high quality insulation materials, for example, a foam board or spray foam, to regulate temperature and reduce energy consumption. Then, for the next point is climate control system. We have to install a suitable heating, ventilation, and air conditioning or HVAC system such as a mini split or portable air conditioner. Then for the next point is thermal windows. We have to choose energy efficient windows with low E coating to minimize heat transfer. Okay, then for the second aspect is about the air quality and ventilation. Then for the first point is about the ventilation system. We can install a ventilation system such as a whole house fan or HRV or heat recovery ventilation to improve air circulation and quality. Then for the next point is about the air purifying plants, and we can incorporate air purifying plants like spider plants or peace lilies to enhance indoor air quality. Then for the next point is about the non-toxic materials. We can use non-toxic materials such as a formaldehyde-free insulation and low VOC or volatile organic compound paints. Then it could be to minimize indoor air pollution. Then for the third aspect is about lighting and natural light, and the first point of it is about the large window. We can incorporate large window, skylight, or solar tubes to maximize natural light. Then for the next point is LED lighting. We can use energy efficient LED lighting to reduce energy consumption and minimize heat emission. Then for the third point is about the dimmable lighting. We can install dimmable lighting to adjust light levels and create ambience. Then for the fourth aspect is about the comfortable living space, and the first point of it is ergonomic furniture. We can choose ergonomic furniture such as a comfortable sofa or desk to promote good posture and reduce fatigue. Then for the second point is cozy textile. We can incorporate cozy textile like plush rugs, throw blankets, and pillows to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Then for the next point is personal touches. We can add personal touches such as artwork, photos, or plants to make your tiny home feels like home. Then for the fifth aspect is about the healthy water system. Then for the first point of healthy water system is about the water filtration. We can install a water filtration system such as a reverse osmosis or activated carbon filter to ensure clean drinking water. Then for the next point is about water conservation. We can incorporate water conserving fixture like low flow shower heads and toilet to reduce water usage. Then for the sixth aspect is about the waste management. Then we can for the first point, we can composting toilet. We can also consider installing a composting toilet to reduce water usage and minimize waste. Then for the next point is about recycling system. Then we can implement recycling systems such as a recycling bin or composting bin to encourage sustainable practice. Then for the seventh aspect is about the safety features, and the first point of it is we can take a fire safety. We can install smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, and a fire extinguisher to ensure safety. Then for the next point is about the electrical safety. We can also use high quality electrical components to and follow safety guidelines to prevent electrical hazard. Then for the eighth aspect, it's about the maintenance and upkeep. And the first point of it is regular cleaning. We can establish a regular cleaning schedule to maintain a healthy and comfortable living space. Then for the next point is maintenance checks. And we can perform regular maintenance check on your tiny home system, such as a plumbing and electrical, to prevent issues. And then by incorporating these tips, you can create a healthy and comfortable tiny home on wheels that support your well-being happiness.